Good morning. Hormones are more than just chemical compounds in your body. They are the master conductors of your entire physical and emotional symphony. Today, we begin a 24-hour journey to restore your endocrine system and awaken your life energy through the power of simple, natural, and whole foods. We start by balancing cortisol levels. Cortisol is our stress hormone, and managing it first thing in the morning is crucial for a steady day ahead. A glass of warm lemon water is the simplest yet most effective way to gently wake up your liver and stimulate your sluggish digestive system. Take a moment to breathe. This ritual prepares your body to process nutrients efficiently and signals to your brain that it is time to start fresh. After a long night of rest, your internal organs need gentle hydration. This warm citrus tonic flushes out toxins and balances your internal pH levels perfectly. Feel the warmth spreading through your body. By choosing this over caffeine immediately, you are protecting your adrenal glands from unnecessary and taxing morning spikes. With our system hydrated and awakened, we move toward the first meal. Let us focus on maintaining blood sugar stability to ensure consistent energy levels. Do not start your day with sugar or heavy carbs. Instead, choose a breakfast rich in high-quality protein and healthy fats for metabolic health. Healthy fats are the building blocks of hormones. Avocados provide the monounsaturated fats and fiber needed to keep you feeling full and mentally sharp. Protein is equally essential. It provides the amino acids necessary for hormone synthesis and helps prevent insulin spikes that lead to unwanted energy crashes. Look at that rich, golden yolk. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients like choline and vitamin D, both of which play vital roles in endocrine function. A pinch of mineral-rich salt and pepper enhances the flavor while providing trace minerals that support your adrenal health throughout the busy morning hours. This combination ensures that your insulin remains stable. When insulin is controlled, your body can access stored energy and maintain a balanced mood effortlessly. Stability is the key word. By avoiding the morning sugar roller coaster, you avoid the mid-morning brain fog and hunger pangs that many people struggle with daily. Every bite is an investment in your hormonal health. Eating with intention allows your body to signal fullness correctly, preventing overeating and digestive distress. As we approach midday, our focus shifts to the liver. This vital organ is responsible for breaking down and clearing out excess hormones from your bloodstream. Bitter greens, like arugula, are secret weapons for liver health. Their natural compounds stimulate bioproduction, which is essential for fat digestion and toxin removal. When the liver is overwhelmed, hormones like estrogen can build up, leading to imbalances. Support your liver, and your entire system will return to harmony. Hydrating vegetables like cucumbers add volume and essential water to our lunch, helping to keep our skin glowing and our cells properly hydrated. Bright red tomatoes provide antioxidants like lycopene. A diverse range of colors in your salad ensures a wide spectrum of phytonutrients for cellular repair. Sulfur-rich foods like onions further assist the liver's detoxification pathways. These small additions make a significant difference in how your body processes environmental toxins. We call this a rainbow salad because it represents variety. A diverse diet leads to a diverse microbiome, which is the foundation of all health. For the dressing, we use extra virgin olive oil. It is rich in anti-inflammatory polyphenols that protect your hormone receptors and support heart health. A splash of apple cider vinegar helps further stabilize blood sugar and improves the absorption of minerals from the leafy greens in your bowl. Tossing the salad gently ensures that every bite is packed with flavor and nutrients. This mindful preparation is an act of self-love and nourishment. Enjoying your lunch in a calm environment allows your body to remain in the rest and digest state, which is vital for hormone production. The afternoon is often when our energy dips. Instead of reaching for sugar, we look towards supporting our gut, our body's second brain. Chia seeds are small but mighty. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids and incredible amounts of fiber to keep things moving smoothly. Adding unsweetened almond milk creates a base for a nutritious pudding. This snack is designed to provide slow-releasing energy and support the intestinal lining. Stirring thoroughly prevents clumping and ensures that every seed can absorb the liquid. This process creates a soothing gel that benefits your digestive tract. Watch as the seeds transform. This gel-like fiber binds to excess hormones and toxins in the gut, helping to eliminate them effectively from your system. A healthy gut means a healthy mind. Most of your serotonin is produced in the gut, making this snack a boost for your mood too. While you enjoy your snack, take time to reflect. My Wellness Align workbook helps you track these habits and listen to your body's subtle signals. Journaling your physical and emotional feelings creates a bridge between your mind and your biology. It is a powerful tool for long-term hormone balance. True health is not just about what you eat, but how you live and how much you listen to what your body truly needs. As evening falls, our body begins to transition. We want to support the production of progesterone and melatonin to prepare for a restorative night's sleep. Dinner should include complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes. These help naturally increase serotonin levels, which then convert into melatonin for deep, restful sleep. The warmth of cooked foods is grounding in the evening. It tells your nervous system that the day is over and it is safe to relax. Using leftovers from lunch saves time and reduces stress. A stress-free evening is essential for keeping your cortisol levels low before you head to bed. Every bite provides the energy your body needs to perform its nightly housekeeping, repairing tissues and balancing the endocrine glands while you dream. Dine by soft light. Reducing exposure to harsh artificial lights in the evening protects your circadian rhythm and ensures your hormones stay on track. After dinner, a cup of caffeine-free herbal tea acts as a final signal for sleep. Ingredients like chamomile or magnesium-rich herbs are excellent choices. The scent of lavender or cedarwood can further calm the mind. Creating a sanctuary in your home is vital for maintaining a balanced internal environment. Sleep is the ultimate healer. During the deep stages of rest, your body does its most profound work in restoring hormone sensitivity and metabolic health. Give yourself the gift of an early night. 8 hours of quality sleep can transform your energy, your mood, and your hormonal balance overnight. As you drift off, know that you have nourished your body with intention today. Your system is now working in harmony to heal itself. Balancing hormones doesn't have to be complicated. It begins with the smallest choices you make on your plate every single day. Think of cooking as a form of self-care. It is an opportunity to slow down and provide your body with the tools it needs to thrive. Your journey to wellness is unique. By following these simple steps, you are taking control of your health and inviting more vitality into your life. Every day is a new opportunity to reset. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on being consistent with your nourishing habits. Nature provides everything we need. When we align our diet with the rhythms of the earth, our bodies naturally find their way back to balance. I hope this 24-hour routine inspires you to treat your body with the respect and love it deserves. You are worth the effort. Stay tuned for more deep dives into specific foods and lifestyle practices that can further enhance your hormonal health and overall well-being. We will explore more recipes and science-backed tips in the upcoming videos. There's so much more to learn on this path to health. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone who might need a little extra balance in their life. We are all in this together. Remember, the key is to listen to your own body. It has all the answers if you just give it the right environment to speak. Healing is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you navigate these changes and celebrate every small victory along the way. Thank you for joining me for these 24 hours of recovery. Your commitment to yourself is the most important step you can take. Let us continue to grow, heal, and thrive together. Your body is capable of amazing things when you give it the nourishment it craves. I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Until then, stay mindful, stay nourished, and stay beautifully balanced in every way. Check out the links below for more resources and to get your own copy of the Wellness Align workbook. See you very soon. Goodbye for now, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of your hormones, and they will take care of you.